Hi, fourth graders. Today you're going to be looking at God's purpose for Saul's life. We learned earlier this year that God has a special purpose for every life He's made. Your life is very important to Him. He designed you to do something very, very special for Him. If you think back, we had career day on our last day when we were here at school, and we were really wanting you to think about what is the purpose that God has for your life? What is His plan for your future? So I really want you today to really reflect on that and to think about what is it that God might have planned for you. Now, you're also going to look at what God had planned for Saul. When God designed Saul, He had a special purpose for his life also. Saul did not want these things for many years. In fact, he lived his life doing the opposite of what God wanted him to do. But God had not changed His mind. Let's look at Acts 9:15 as God tells Saul what His plan is for his life. It says, "But the Lord said to him, 'Go, for he is a chosen instrument of mine to carry my name before the Gentiles and kings and the children of Israel.'" Saul's purpose was to go and preach the gospel to the Gentiles. And he did that, and many people were saved. And then Paul wrote many books of our New Testament. So God used him to start and spread the church. And so God has a plan for your life as well. So I want you to really think about what is God's plan for your life. And I want you to be praying that God will show you what His plan is for you.